I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates were unchanged for a third consecutive day on Wednesday, despite a rise in U.S. Treasury yields tied to news of a decline in the number of announced corporate layoffs in February. A separate survey also showed private payroll jobs declined a modest 20,000 last month compared to a revised 60,000 cuts in January. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is still at 4.75% with 2 1/8 points. The 5% rate remains at 3/4 of 1 point. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was down 1/8 of a point, with the 4.25% rate now at 1 1/8 points for a savings of $125 on a $100,000 loan. The 4 3/8% rate is at half of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service, less than $1 a day. A key index of service sector activity released on Wednesday showed a larger than expected improvement for the month of February and remains firmly in expansion mode. Today, we will see first-time claims for weekly state unemployment benefits. Once again, analysts expect a drop, but the consensus estimate has been wrong many times since the start of this year. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here later today for my next free mortgage rate update.